Want to take better photos with your iPhone? The experts at Flytographer will teach you how.
Hey everyone, my name is Kimon. I'm a Flytographer here in Santorini.
Hi, I'm Crystal. I'm a Flytographer in iconic Paris, France.
I'm Natalie, and I'm one of your Flytographers here in Honolulu.
My name is Jimmy Chang, an awesome London Flytographer.
I'm here to show you the best tips and tricks on how to use your iPhone camera.
But I'm going to teach you the basics so you can feel more comfortable to take beautiful photographs wherever you are in the world.
I'll be teaching you how to take your photos from okay to wow with a little bit of editing.
I'm going to show you how to utilize your smartphone to capture some cool video clips.
Have you ever looked at an image and really liked it but were not sure why? It's probably because it had good composition.
You can control the lens opening to allow less or more light in. The brighter it is, the smaller the pupil, or the smaller the lens opening.
What to save and what to cut. How do you know what's worth it? Photographers often take hundreds of images in a session with only a handful of keepers.
There's a scissor icon that allows you to shorten, split, or duplicate the video clip